Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Over the last several days, I've done a racetrack for a child's puzzle, and somebody asked, well, how do you put more curves into it easily? So you just need to make a curve no matter what size you do. A couple ways you could do it. You could draw a circle and then turn it into an arc and then do like 180, have that, make a duplicate of that, and then make it a 90. And I said there's two ways to do it. This is probably the fastest. I mean, always you can create a circle and hit P, take two perpendicular lines. I held down the control button and I'm just hitting P, and then you can delete the other lines and just have that arc. So we'll go ahead and keep that arc. Nah, it's a different size. So this way you've got a same size. And we're just going to draw a racetrack. We're going to go ahead and turn this one at 90-degree angle. And we can take this and what we want to do is make multiple copies to have for the future. Having a little bit of trouble grabbing it. And then take this one and rotate it evenly, like 270 degrees, and take when you get the 4-point cross, put it right there. Then you could take this one and rotate it 180 degrees and put it here. And see, you're just making curves. We could actually take this one and put it up here, and then take this one, and remember to make a duplicate of it so you'll have it for the future. And we could actually rotate it a negative 90 degrees. Basically, that's another half arc. Let's take this one and hit the plus key and rotate it 90 degrees. And you could just keep building and building and building and building. And let's take this one. And you can also, instead of rotating, you can mirror it. That'll also work. Now you're pretty close to there, so we need to come back up. So we're going to rotate that 90 degrees. Get to that 4-point quadrant. And then you need to just kind of put a line if you're going to make this part straight, holding down the control button. So we need to join up with that guy. So we're going to take, and I did not make a copy for my last one, so we'll Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it both directions. Grab that 4-point cross. Don't try to stick it on the line, stick it on your curve, because that one will be automatically there. So there you have a racetrack and you can do a lot with it. Now we need to join it. So we're going to use the Smart Fill tool to fill that up. And what the Smart Fill tool does is creates a new object, so we can go left click, right click, and now these are all one piece. Now, if you didn't watch 1, 2, and 3, I'm not saying that you'll ever do this, but it just kind of shows you how you can draw differently. Then go to contour and contour the outside. Let's go a 1/2 inch to the outside. There's part of our racetrack. Break the contour apart. Grab that one again and contour to the inside a 1/2 point. We're a little bit close right there, but it doesn't really matter. So that's our racetrack. And then like in the other video, go to object, break the 4 objects apart, grab that center one and make it black, because it's basically just a dividing line. Now in parts 1, 2, and 3, I showed how to, and don't ever move things out of the way, nudge things out of the way. I showed how to make the puzzle part so you could put this together. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.